Welcome back to the VST channel. This here is the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, and this is a real display test under direct sunlight. Now, as you can notice right now, I'm not standing in front of the direct sunlight. I wanted to show you guys some of the settings. My brightness settings is up to the maximum, and you can see that I've disabled adaptive brightness to show you that I'm using extra brightness. But if you have been following my channel, you know that when you click adaptive brightness, you're gonna get some extra pop. So my advice to you is, guys, make sure to use extra brightness, because see here, the moment I put it on, I'm gonna get a slight boost, but adaptive brightness is really gonna pump everything to the maximum. Now, of course, you'll not get 2600 nits under direct sunlight. This is only reserved when you're watching some HDR content on some very small area of the screen of the phone, so that's kind of normal. But right now, guys, I'm gonna go slowly to the direct sunlight, and we're gonna see what is gonna happen. And to make this a more usable test, I'm gonna open Twitter. So let's pretend I'm just scrolling Twitter, all right? And now I'm gonna go into the direct sunlight, and my phone is going to directly get a hit from the sun. All right, so this is pretty much the visibility. As you can see, right, I would say it's quite nice. You can read everything that is here. I've also opened Telegram. You can absolutely see everything is absolutely visible. If I am to also go inside my settings, you will see that everything is displayed, so you will not have any issues with this screen under direct sunlight. And by the way, you see, I'm not joking, guys, this is absolutely the direct sunlight. All right, now something very important. While we're here, I'm also going to open YouTube, and I'm going to show you guys a 4K HDR video. And this is here the setting, so it's 4K 60 FPS HDR. Why? Well, because we want to see how vivid those colors are. And again, guys, see, this is an absolute real test. It is under direct sunlight. So let's just watch a bit, and I can tell you, it's not 100% visible on the camera, but I can tell you that in real life, this is really an amazing screen. By the way, I get a lot of questions about those lines. Those lines, guys, are referred to the PWM dimming. You might watch a video of Mr. Who's the Boss. He tried to explain a bit. PW dimming, this is dimming, what is this? What hertz or refresh rate is Samsung using for this? So it's very important, because in the previous generation of phones, Samsung were not using really the best settings there. Now I think they improved this a lot. See here, guys, the screen is absolutely visible. Now, these black lines that you see here are not visible in real life, all right? This is only visible when taken by camera. Usually the idea is the more you have of them, the higher the refresh rate for the dimming is, which is actually better for your eyes. So I'm perfectly happy with this screen, and as I have demonstrated to you, it's absolutely capable to provide a full viewing experience in a broad direct sunlight. And one more time, guys, I'm gonna open here the Twitter, right, so you can just see everything absolutely readable. And again, I want to show you this is really under direct sunlight. So if you enjoy videos like this, make sure to watch all my other videos, because I really will cover very in depth the Samsung S24 Ultra, also comparing it with the Oppo Find X7 Ultra and with the iPhone 15 Pro Max and with the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe, VST over, and bye.